Hey everyone. Welcome back to the quick modeling and rendering series. Sorry for delay in upload of this tutorial, and not responding to your comments. I am working on a big architectural project, so facing some problems in working on new videos. Thank you for your comments and likes to video. This motivates me to focus more on making this videos for you. This is part 5 of the series. If you have not watched previous videos, the link is given in description below, or you can click on I button in the top of video. In this part we will learn how to create roof of villa. Watch the video till end, to learn how to make roof of villa. So, let's get started. Make a box and use it as a reference for the roof truss. Use line to create the basic shape of truss. Now we will use the sweep profile script to create the profile. Use pivot alignments to make the adjustments to the profile. As we are not provided with any structural details, we will use our knowledge and some reference images. I am using line to trace the remaining roof. Outline the line and extrude it to desired height. Scale the vertex inside to give walls a uniform slope. Making some adjustments to get the roof in proportion. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep pushing pixels. If you have liked this video, give a thumbs up. Your actions encourage me to keep making such videos, and deliver best content. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment below. Have a great day.